Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today, you would come to know about a poem, The Snake Tribe, that is written by W.W. Ross. Students, in this poem, the poet wants to tell us that snakes are not poisonous. They are harmless too. So, in this poem, you would come to know about that a snake tried to escape himself from human being. So let's start.
The first stanza, the snake trying, W.W. Ross is just telling about the snake trying. The first stanza, the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Escape to get free. Escape to get free. And pursue to follow, पीछा करना. Curvings, bends, ball. Thin, not fat. Graceful, attractive. In this poem, the poet is telling that an event when he saw a snake being chased by a person with a stick. A person is chasing a snake with a stick. Sensing the danger, the poor little creature, a snake. Poor little creature is trying to escape the blow of chasing stick. It's running away, curving its thin long body. Students, the snake trying to move ahead. The poet feels spellbound at its beauty. Poet बहुत happy होता है. He thinks that snake is quite beautiful and graceful too. He glides through the water away from the stroke. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without heart. Small and green is harmless even to children. Students, stroke means hit. Stroke, hit, marna. Glide, move. Reeds, a plant. Reeds, a plant. Hide, out of view, chipna. Now, the snake successfully evades the stalk of the sticks and glides away through the water. Snake अपने को सेव कर लेता है. He successfully evades the stalk of stick and glides away through a water. The poet is trying to stop the pursuer from killing the poor creature. Poet रोक रहा है कि वो सांप को ना मारे. He tells him to let him go across the water into the reeds. उसे जाने दो into a reeds where he could hide himself. The poet says it is a small green snake. What is the color of a snake? Green. It is a small green snake that cannot do any harm even to the small kids. Last stanza. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanished in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Observed was seen. Chased away was followed. Vanishes, get out of sight, दिखाई न देना. Ripples, waves, लहरें. Slim, thin. Now, the poet is telling now. The snake was lying near the sand. Where the snake lying? Near the sand, peacefully, before the attacker saw and chased him away. Attacker, who is attacker? A person who is with a stick. But thankfully, he has safely escaped and hidden himself somewhere in the rippling water or the green slim reeds. He may be in rippling water or in the green slim reeds. Okay, thank you. The poem, in very simple and clear words, conveys the message that all creatures of nature need to be treated in a kind and sympathetic manner. Even snakes must not be attacked because they don't bite unless they sense a danger to their life. Moreover, there are certain varieties of snakes that are not poisonous and are hence harmless too. So, this is the message that we should not do cruelty to anyone in our life. Thank you.